DSS officials on standby, waiting for embattled Emefiele's arrival in court. Journalists also waited outside the courtroom to capture his very first glance, and almost miss for the cameras Emefiele's brisk move into the courtroom from one of the adjoining offices was captured. His arraignment is stalled owing to the absence of the second defendant, Sa'adatu Yaro. Counsel to the federal government, Mr. Muhammad Abubakar, claims she fell sick in the morning of the trial, hence her absence in court. The application for adjournment was not opposed by Mr. Akinlolu Kainde, who represented Mr. Emefiele. He is now heavily shielded, preventing the cameras to have a clean shot. This was made worse by switching off the lights. Outside the courtroom, the counsel to Mr. Emefiele berates the federal government for stalling the arraignment.
In the wisdom of the complainant, the federal government of Nigeria, they decided to withdraw that charge. A ruling is being expected this morning before the Federal High Court in Lagos in respect of that application to withdraw that charge. Now they brought another charge before the FCT High Court, a 20-count charge against the same person, against the same embattled governor of the central bank.
Lawyers in defense of democracy and human rights, on their part, believe the arraignment of Emefiele is ruse.
Before now, they told us that Emefiele has cases to answer on matters that have to do with terrorism. We expected that the charges will reflect terrorism count charges. Unfortunately, or surprisingly, what we saw was matters bordering on procurement, that he gave contract for the award of land cruisers. Gentlemen, this is a charade.
Amidst tight security, Mr. Emefiele is whisked away by operatives of the Department of State Services, the DSS. The suspended governor of the central bank will be arraigned alongside Sa'adatu Yaro and her company, April 1616 Investments Limited, on a 20-count charge of procurement fraud, conspiracy and conferring corrupt advantages on his associates to the tune of 6.9 billion naira.